Do military members need special auto insurance? If you are a military member wondering whether you need a different type of auto insurance, you are not alone. Many service members have similar questions. The good news is that military personnel do not need a completely different kind of auto insurance. However, they often benefit from special considerations and discounts that cater to their unique situations. Standard auto insurance coverage applies to military members just like it does to civilians. This includes liability, collision, comprehensive, personal injury protection, and uninsured motorist coverage. The key difference lies in the discounts and policy features available specifically for military personnel. One of the most appealing aspects of auto insurance for military members is the availability of military discounts. Many insurance companies offer these discounts for active duty service members, veterans, and sometimes members of the National Guard. These discounts can significantly reduce premiums, often by as much as 15%. This is a great way to save money while recognizing the service of military personnel. Another important consideration is coverage flexibility during deployment. Some states allow military members to keep their vehicle registration and insurance in their home state, even when stationed or deployed elsewhere. This can make it easier to maintain coverage without worrying about differing state requirements. Additionally, some insurance providers offer special coverage options tailored to military members. These may include emergency roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and mechanical breakdown insurance. These benefits can be particularly useful for service members who frequently relocate or deploy. When shopping for auto insurance, military members should look for insurers that understand their lifestyle and offer the necessary accommodations. Companies like United Services Automobile Association and Government Employees Insurance Company are well known for providing tailored auto insurance products for military families. In practice, while the core auto insurance policies remains the same, military members should focus on finding insurers that provide discounts, deployment-related flexibility, and additional services that suit their needs. By considering these factors, military personnel can secure better coverage and potentially save money on their auto insurance.